Imagine a world where tiny warriors wage epic battles, their miniature armies clashing in a fierce struggle for survival. Welcome to the hidden realm of ants, where species clash in a relentless war for territory and food. In the lush undergrowth of forests and gardens across the globe, a silent but deadly conflict rages on. Ants, those industrious insects we often overlook, are engaged in a constant battle for dominance. These tiny creatures, barely visible to the naked eye, form intricate societies and wage wars that rival the complexity of human conflicts. As the sun rises over the battlefield, to rival ant colonies emerge from their nests, their antennae twitching in anticipation. The air is thick with tension as scout ants from both sides survey the area, searching for potential food sources and assessing the strength of their opponents. Suddenly, a chance encounter between scouts from opposing colonies ignites the spark of war. Pheromone trails are quickly laid down, invisible chemical highways that guide reinforcements to the front. Within minutes, the once peaceful clearing becomes a chaotic arena of combat. Soldier ants, with their powerful mandibles and reinforced exoskeletons, rush to the forefront, ready to defend their colony's honor and resources. The battle unfolds in waves, with each side employing sophisticated tactics honed through millions of years of evolution. Some species form living bridges with their bodies, allowing their comrades to cross treacherous gaps and outflank the enemy. Others release potent chemical weapons, spraying formic acid to disorient and incapacitate their foes. As the conflict intensifies, the ground becomes littered with fallen warriors. Their tiny bodies, testament to the ferocity of the struggle, yet for every ant that falls, dozens more take its place, driven by an unwavering loyalty to their queen and colony. The air fills with the faint but distinct odor of alarm pheromones, a scent that drives the combatants into a frenzy of aggression. In this smaller ant species often employ guerrilla tactics, using their agility and numbers to overwhelm larger opponents. Some colonies even form alliances with other insect species, recruiting aphids as living food sources or enlisting the help of larger predators to keep rival ants at bay. The stakes in these conflicts are high, with the very survival of entire colonies hanging in the balance. A defeated colony may be forced to abandon its carefully constructed nests, leaving behind stores of food and vulnerable larvae. The victors, meanwhile, expand their territory and secure valuable resources, ensuring the continued growth and prosperity of their society. As the battle rages on, the landscape itself becomes a participant in the conflict. Leaves and twigs become impromptu fortresses, while drops of dew form treacherous obstacles that can trap unwary combatants. The ants navigate this ever-changing battlefield with remarkable skill, their tiny brains processing complex spatial information and coordinating movements with their nest. Hours pass, and the tide of battle ebbs and flows. Neither side is willing to concede defeat, their determination fueled by an instinctive drive to protect and expand their domain. As darkness falls, the fighting continues unabated, with specialized nocturnal warriors taking over from their day shift counterparts. This war between ant species is not just a localized skirmish, but a global phenomenon. From the tropical rainforests of South America to the urban parks of Europe, ants engage in territorial disputes that shape the ecosystems around them. Their battles influence the distribution of plant species, affect the populations of other insects, and even impact larger animals that rely on ants as a food source. Scientists studying these conflicts have uncovered fascinating insights into the nature of cooperation, competition, and social organization. The strategies employed by warring ant colonies offer valuable lessons in resource management, communication, and adaptability, lessons that humans can apply to fields ranging from military tactics to business management. As dawn breaks on a new day, the battle between the ant colonies reaches its climax. One side finally gains the upper hand, forcing their opponents into a desperate retreat. The victorious ants swarm over the conquered territory, claiming new resources and expanding their influence. Yet, even in defeat, the resilience of ants shines through. The retreating colony will regroup, rebuild, and prepare for future conflicts. In the world of ants, the war for survival never truly ends. It merely enters new phases, driven by the eternal cycle of competition and adaptation. This hidden war, played out on a miniature scale beneath our feet, serves as a reminder of the complex and often brutal nature of life on Earth. It challenges us to look closer at the world around us, to appreciate the intricate dramas unfolding in even the smallest corners of our environment. For in the end, the story of warring ants is not just about insects. It is a reflection of the universal struggle for existence that shapes all life on our planet.